What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy G, back with another one. I'm gonna show y'all how to flush a water heater real quick, especially if yours is up in the attic. You want to flush it because these things do build up sediment, and then in the long run it's gonna be really hard to get it out when you got to drop it down. So this one's not that old, 2013, 2014. It's a state, and it's never been flushed ever since it was put in, so we're gonna do that today. So if you got a gas water heater, what you want to do is you want to crank it down to pilot, which turns off the thermostat so it doesn't try to fire off and heat the water. And if you have an electric one, you just want to kill the breaker. You might have a pull plug, kind of like to your air conditioner, or something along the lines of that, or just go to your panel and turn off the breaker. So you want to do that. Get your water hose and run it to like a bathtub or shower or something, somewhere where it can take a lot of water. Then you just crank over the valve and then just let it flow for a little bit. You can turn on and off the main supply coming in to kind of switch the sediment around at the bottom, and that'll help out too. But you want to at least do this, at least, if not every year, do it every other year, depending on how hard your water is. So let's do it. Alright, so once you get your water hose set up, you want to get yourself a screwdriver, flathead. Flathead, and just crank this valve. Sometimes you might have a little valve that you could turn with your hand, but this one needs a flathead. Just do it till you hear it come out. Then you want to go down, make sure it's actually going where you want it to. Run this for a good 20 minutes or so to get it out. So I'm just gonna run it. Actually, just gonna run it until it starts coming out clear, so I know it's good. All right, so I came up here, turned off the main supply. And I'm just getting the water down to open up the valve. Just let some air in. Just want to get the water low enough to start to swish it. So when you do that, before you turn the water back on, you make sure you close the valve. It's a good way to test these valves too. I know a lot of people say, don't mess with these, but in reality, if you flush your water heater, you do it right, you'll never leak once you take it out. Just when you open it up, it kind of makes a hole so the water can come out. And then when you close it back, all the sediment and everything, calcium that forms in there, could get under the little ring, so it can't close properly. That's why they pretty much say leak like that. So this one's pretty much almost empty. You can tell by the sound. Close this. Open that back up. Now she's filling up. We'll take a look at it. You can see she's flowing now, nice and clear now. So I'm going to turn off the valve so the thing fills up completely. Let it fill up, and open it up and do it one more time. Nice clear water. So almost nothing. Don't do all that. That's do it for this one. Very simple video. Hit it up if you ain't did it, or if you don't know if it hasn't been done, do it real quick. You'll be happy you did it. Alright, till next time, y'all. Peace.